I'm here at Friendly Truck Driving School, and we are going to be checking the hub oil. Now this hub has a sight glass so we can see through it. First off, the hub is no cracks, no breaks, no damage. It is tight and secure. The hub fasteners, tight and secure, tight and secure, tight and secure. There are no loose or missing fasteners. There is no oil leaking underneath the hub. Pull the centerpiece out. And the oil is above the minimum limit. Where I place this? It's all good, all tight and secure. Check the inside of the tire. And there's no oil leak, there's no wheel seal leak, there's no bearing failure. A minor defect would be the hub oil is below the minimum level when fitted with a sight glass, or a leaking wheel seal. In the case of a minor failure, a minor defect, I would contact the operator, I would note it in my logbook, I would carry on driving the vehicle for the day. A major defect would be evidence of imminent wheel, hub, or bearing failure. In the case of a major defect, I would note it in my logbook, I would contact the operator, I would not drive the vehicle until this is corrected.